know this is a view that you miss. Walking up to room 919, coming around the corner, and saying, let's do some math. Well, hello class. Here we are. It is April 2nd, Thursday, 2020. And this class is missing you, and so am I. Doing our best to get on through chapter 7.5, 7.6, 7.7, and 7.8. Trying to make it bite-sized and manageable for you. Hopefully, this is all kind of coming together step by step, and so you're not being too overwhelmed. I'm really trying to, like I said, break it up into small steps, everything we're doing here. Anytime you're spending too much time on any one assignment, do make sure that, if you get 45 minutes to an hour on any assignment, just, that's where it's supposed to be. If you know you're working at a slow pace, then hey, make sure you're working hard. But if you're really working hard and stuff and it's going past an hour, each teacher, again, shouldn't be hopefully overwhelming you too much, and so we don't want to stress you out. So for the next couple of days here, actually 3 days, for 7.8, there is definitely some content. I appreciate you guys doing the videos that are set up in the framework of a quiz. Now, when you get done, it's not that it's a quiz, it's just I like the way the template's set up because I can import a video, I can show some stuff. I can set it up so you can check the answers, hopefully, and see how you're doing. Again, using Photomath as a tool, it is absolutely, I'm working with my daughter on her college. She's taking a college math class right now, and so we're doing it from home. And so, man, we are, going through, doing the problems and seeing if we're doing them right by double checking Photomath, using Desmos. Again, all tools are there to help you when you've done it in the first place, for the problem in the first place, and then checking answers, not to do it in the first place. Otherwise, you're never going to get down. So keep honest. Someone's watching you from above. What's going to happen over the next 3 days here is there's a great little Khan Academy series videos that come together that have some videos that explain stuff. If you're a note-taking type person, definitely go ahead and kind of write down the problems yourself, kind of work them out as they're going through in the lecture, kind of like we might do in class, doing out a few problems. And then there's always some good practice problems that they do when they have their practice section, and I think many times they have the answers. Again, making sure that you're practicing on your own, right? If you're using Photomath or any of those things, not letting it do the work for you, but again, honestly, getting it there for yourself. So what's going to happen over the next 3 days is on this Khan Academy series, there are 10 kind of sections. There's like video, and a practice, and then maybe 3 or 4 videos, and maybe a practice. Don't want you to do all 10 at the same time. That would absolutely, burn your brain out, burn yourself out. So it's not one where you do it all in one day. It's actually, we're going to break it up over to 3 days. So if there are 10 little sections and videos in there, doing the math there, it's going to be basically about 3 per day. There's going to be one day at the very end, the second to last little video. It's called Shared Factors or something like that. I'll put the name on it when we do it. We're not going to want you to do that one. But basically, so if there's 9 and we take that one out, or there's 10 and we take that one out, there's now 9 videos. I'm thinking 3 per day. So 3 today, 3 more tomorrow, and then 3 on Monday. Take the weekend off, rest your brain, okay? If you want to make flashcards, do this yourself, whatever, hey, that's up to you. But I'm thinking 3 per day. So again, we'll go to the Khan Academy video. It'll be linked there. Every single day, it'll just go back to the same link, which will be just showing them. If you decide, like I said, you want to do more than that, you want to kind of power through them for some reason, then go ahead. But I'm only expecting 3 per day on Thursday, 3 on Friday, and then we'll come back 3 more on Monday, and then we'll be done with 7.8. And we'll kind of figure out how we're going to kind of check in and see and assess that this stuff here. Obviously, it's not the most optimum way to assess for understanding through a test or something from this far away. So that's what we're doing. Now, even more important, this is section 2 of this talk right here. Most important, there is an assignment that's going to be called some silly name like, oh my gosh, Mr. Hurtado is missing his little algebra babies. Ooh, I really want to see you guys on a Google Meet and check in on how everybody's doing and see your face. I don't know. It's going to have some stupid, crazy title on it. You'll see it there in Google Classroom. But it's going to just have a Google Doc in there where you guys can sign up for a time. I like to have maybe 3 to 4 people at a time during a half-hour session so I can check in with you, answer questions, go a little longer if we need to go through some problems, and I'll be doing it right here in my classroom. So I'll have my board, I'll have my laptop facing the screen, and I'm sure we'll have some fun, laugh along the way, checking on how people are doing. But the other part will be to actually kind of check in and see if we have questions and do some problems and answer some stuff up to this point. So with my algebra classes, I haven't checked in with you face-to-face. I've done some Google Meets with some students throughout the time, and some I've phone called. So again, I'd love to go ahead and somehow be able to set up a Google Meet time. So you're going to see there's an assignment, and it'll be over the next 3 days. So it'll be starting today, later in the day if you want to do something. It'll be Friday, and then it'll be also on Monday. I'm going to try to set up like little half-hour sessions, 3 to 4 people per session, so I can try to make my way through all the people that want some help and that would love to just see my face. I can see your face. I can make fun of you. You can make fun of me, just like old times. So that's what we're working towards. So there'll be 2 things coming up here. Again, the Khan Academy for the next 3 days. Today, on Thursday, the 2nd of April. Tomorrow, Friday, April 3rd. And then on Monday, which is, I believe, the 6th of April, that'll take us into that Monday. And then, like I said, we'll kind of figure out where we're going for checking in, assessing, or how we can do some kind of a little assessment to see how you're doing and who has understanding. Again, and really most important, that second part, signing up. If you want to sign up with groups of 3 to 4, if you want to powwow together and say, hey, let's all go in together so we can see Mr. Totto and we're all going to see each other. If you've done the Google Meets, it's kind of fun to see everybody's face. So that's what we're looking to do. Hopefully this video, like I said, helps out. Take some notes, do some of the problems. Go on to other sites if sometimes you're having a hard time with it. So for the next one is looking at solving trinomials as they relate to perfect squares. So it's kind of its own little category. You've done factoring, we can just look at it. You've done it when you pull out the number, right? And then we've gone through the Kung Fu method, which we just did. So again, right, we're looking at different ways. So this next one is going to have what's called grouping, where we pull it out the number or a factor. And so again, we're going to see just, again, all different ways for trying to factor. This one is factoring trinomials that are perfect squares. So hope it helps. Hit the link. Watch the video, do any questions. Sometimes if I add a question or two, maybe just kind of check in and make sure you understand what's going on. So there might be 1 or 2 questions, hopefully with the answer, to show you how to do it. All right, I hope you guys are doing well. Hopefully a few of you sign up and we can go ahead and talk on Google Meet over the next 3 days. Today, Thursday, Friday, or next Monday. Take care. Peace out, Mr. Totto. Let's go do some math.
Boogie, boogie, boogie.